Alright, so I want to do a video on how to learn stuff for free online. A lot of these are free. They may have, like, if it's a case where you want to get like a certificate at the end, you can, pay for that certificate, but the course itself is free. So you can learn the course and then decide if you want to like have the physical paper or the digital just the thing that shows that yes you completed this course. So there are many options available. You know that AI is one of the main ones that you can actually use yourself. So if it's a case where you want to learn something, what you could do is just like get yourself the ebook or a textbook and then kind of type in those concepts that you want it to kind of be broken down easier for you. So you see like the summarized text option here. You can pretty much take a concept from a book that you want to learn about, or something that you may have watched in a YouTube video, or something that you want to kind of dive more deep into, and kind of use ChatGPT to help you with that. But if let's say you want a more structured approach, like an actual course, there are many options available online now, and I'm just going to show you a couple here. We can always just like go deeper into what they offer, but one of them is Allison. So Allison has been around a while now, and they offer courses you can do on your own pace, and if you want you can get that certificate at the end also. So if you just click on Allison, you kind of see what they offer. They offer many different courses. So they have courses with certificates and diplomas, so you can learn and get certificate. If you want to build your career, they have health, language, business, management, teaching and academics, engineering and construction, sales and marketing, personal development, English courses. And they also give you like an option. So if it's a case where you don't know where to start, they can actually give you that, kind of make it easier for you. Like, I guess this is more like, I guess you could call it a quick guide to kind of find your path. So if you're doing more upskill, let's say you're in a career currently, you want to kind of get a bit more higher position, you can do the upskill. Or if you want to find a new career, you can click on that. You can look at their popular courses also, and you can look at their top diplomas, their top certificates, and the new courses. There's also Coursera, which is a popular one also. So the same thing, they do offer free courses, but you can choose to get the certificate if you want. So let's just click on that so you can kind of see what it looks like. So with Coursera, many different courses from top universities and top companies like Google, IBM, Stanford, Duke University. So you can pretty much, if you want to like change your career, you can actually use Coursera to go from beginner to a specialized person in a particular field. So if that's like you see social media management strategists here, you can take like a couple courses that would kind of bring you to that stage. But with the specialization, that's more like a paid thing to go into if you want to like level up to that level. But you can still do like free courses in the, so let's say there's 5 courses to get specialized. You can take each course individually that they recommend, and you pretty much get to that stage of, it's just you wouldn't be able to get the certificate because you haven't paid for that. So yeah, to hear the popular certificates from Google, so you have data analytics, Google project management, IT support, Google UX design, cybersecurity, e-commerce. So if you want to learn stuff like digital marketing, you can use this. And funny enough too, Google actually has give me a second here. All right, so Google actually has their own platform where you can actually learn from Google directly. So it's called Google, Grow.Google now, but it was called Google Garage at one point. So you can actually use this also and learn different stuff. So you can look at their career certificates. You can look at AI Essentials, generative AI, chat with their, Gemini AI. All right, so let's look at the certificates available. Okay, click on that. All right, so they help you to unlock job opportunities, no experience necessary. So they're going to take you step by step. Description, so you can go ahead and check that out also. If you want to go more in the entrepreneurial type direction and you want to like do like an online store and all that, Shopify does have their own Shopify Academy, so you don't necessarily need to go through an influencer and take their course and hope it works. Shopify pretty much has taken their top producing people that have literally gotten millions of dollars in sales and have created courses with them. So you can actually go to Shopify Learn and you can go ahead and type in what you want to learn about. So if you want to, so they've kind of switched over more to like the developmental side, but they can still learn. All right, so let's type in Shopify for all right. So here, so we see you have first day to first sale. All right, so click on that, and yeah, so it's a free course that gives you everything you need to know to get from your first day, like learning about Shopify for the first time. What Shopify is pretty much an online platform that you can pretty much set up a storefront and sell your products or do drop shipping or offer services or sell digital products also. edX, they actually have courses that can actually, in some cases, matriculate up towards your certain courses at certain universities. So they do have a lot of free courses you can also take, just like the others. So the Google, the Berkeley, the Harvard, University of Cambridge. You can take your time and look through, and whatever fits or whatever interests you can go ahead and do that also. The other one, there, as I said, there are many of them. There's also courseware. Give me a second to see if I can find it. All right, so before that, so this one is Yale. So Yale also has an open courses for free that you can actually do online also. So you can pretty much look at the courses available, and yeah, you can do these. All right. So, and it's, yeah, so you can do chemistry, and so they give you like the year that they were from. So it was from like fall 2009 was financial theory. You can look game theory, Milton, modern poetry, environmental politics and law. This is from spring 2010. All right, so there's another one that's called Open Courseware also, and they also offer you free courses. So if you wanted to learn, like, let's say how to develop products and stuff with CAD. So CAD's another software you can actually use to like do a lot of it's kind of like Blender. What it is something that you can use to develop like products, machine parts, other stuff, like the software version of that. You'll be able to use your computer to kind of develop whatever you pretty much have in your mind, or use like models that exist and kind of edit them in ways that you feel you want to. So yeah, so these are some of the featured courses. They have so this is pretty much statistics here. This is the CAD. This is ethics for engineers, artificial intelligence. So I guess if you want to learn more on the side of AI and its ethical impact going forward, yeah, you can do that. So yeah. Making of the Roman Empire. Yeah, so yep. So see, here it is. So free lecture notes, exams, videos from MIT, no registration required. So this is MIT, right? So yeah, so that's it. Know some options. So you have Coursera, you have Allison, you have ChatGPT. What I'd recommend you do also, if you do take any of these courses, you can actually use ChatGPT to kind of break it down even further. So if it's a case that you don't understand a topic, like the broader way that they present it in the course, you can actually use something like ChatGPT or another AI that you are comfortable with to kind of help you to get the gist of it, or like explain it even at a 5th grade level, or even maybe four or at a 4-year-old level if you want. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video, and go ahead and make 2025 that year for you, my friend. Bye bye.